What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. We have a new setting. What y'all thinking? What we thinking? Do we like it or nah? Since a lot of my videos going forward are going to be related to fashion, I figured I need a setup that I am able to show my full body. So, are y'all getting it? Are y'all feeling it? Am I serving y'all body yaddy yaddy? Am I? Just kidding. Anyway, I do want to say links. Before I do this unboxing and before I get into detail and with what I have on, I will always leave links to what I have on or something close or a dupe down below, including the wig, y'all, because that's important too. That's a part of the outfit. The wig is part of the outfit. And two, there will also be information on Angelle's Life, www.angelleslife.com, okay? In case y'all want to know, okay? Before I get into this unboxing, I want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers, and that's Holly the Dopetress. She has been a subscriber of mine for a couple years right now. She commented on my life update video, and sis, you touched me and inspired me in ways that I don't even think you understand. It was so, it's like sometimes when you have those feelings or you're going through something and it's like you kind of don't like, you kind of having trouble believing in yourself, but then you have followers or distant friends who believe in you even when you ain't believing in yourself, or even when you just feeling off. Like that's what you gave me. You gave me so much strength, so much motivation, and I just appreciate it so much. Furthermore, not just you, all my Lily is another subscriber. Lydia Mahir, girl, I can't. I'm so sorry. Miss Glendoria, like all these different subscribers that I have that's always commenting, always watching, just always so down for me and so supportive of me no matter like what I go through. I thank y'all so much because y'all really do keep me doing this. Y'all really, really do. Like sometimes I just be like, life is too hard. This baby is on 10. I can't do this. And then I think about y'all, or I read y'all comments, and it's just, I swear it's always on time. I swear y'all comments are always on time. So, and not just that, I really appreciated Holly the Dopetress comment, because there was a call to action in it. A call to action that I don't even ask y'all to do, but I should. I really have a problem with promoting myself, and I don't know why. But Holly, girl, you have gotten me together. I will be promoting myself from here to Kingdom Come, and I hope that y'all will too. Her comment reads, I am going to read it really quick, okay? I'm not going to take up too much of y'all time, but I am going to read it because I love this, so, okay. But her comment read, I came to check up on you as I periodically do, and here we are. Just want to say I love this video. It's the beginning of your healing. It seems like, and something I actually needed to hear for my own self. You are so beautiful, but my pet peeve is people telling you they got you and do nothing. If we really got you, then attention, y'all. This is Operation Make Angelle's Life the next big channel. Share, share, share. The way you can get you this way you can get you an extravagant babysitter / assistant and make new friends. Thank you for being consistent. Thank you. Thank you, Holly. Thank you, girl. Thank you to you. Thank you to all of my subscribers. Like, I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you. This is a call to action, y'all. Share this video. Share. I never tell y'all to share my videos, but share it. Like it if you like it. You know what I'm saying? And subscribe to the channel if you really are picking up what I'm putting down. So, now that we've gotten that out of the way, again, thank y'all. I love y'all. Thank you so much. Now that we have gotten that out of the way, girl, quick outfit rundown. This wig is Eunice hair. It will be you'll be getting the video in about a day or two. So subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're notified when the video is uploaded, okay? But wig is Eunice hair. This shirt is Zara, okay? And we're trying to stay protected because we ain't got no bra on. We don't need no titties popping out. This skirt is H&M, and it is from at least a year or two ago. So skirt is H&M, and these boots I got like 2 years ago from, they're just like white cowboy boots. And I got these from Dog Kills. That was before the controversy, y'all. I don't want to hear no shit, okay? I didn't even know. I ordered from Dog Kills one time, okay? It took 2 months for me to get my damn shoes. I never ordered again. But I hear that there's some controversy or something that happened last year. But these, okay, I almost got rid of these like 2 or 3 or 4 times. But yet and still, they're here and on my feet. So that is an outfit. And again, I will leave links to everything or something similar down below. Okay, today we have an unboxing from Farfetch. I'm sure you can tell by the title what we are unboxing. So we just gonna go ahead and get straight to it. Now, I actually had a SnapShot before. Coming, duty! Hold on, y'all. Okay, I'm back. So I actually had a SnapShot previously, and I sold it. I sold it because it was not a good color for my wardrobe. However, when I sold it, y'all, what is this? We need a box cutter. When I sold it, I knew for sure that I wanted to get another one, but I really wanted to make sure that the next time I got one, it was the right color, a color that I knew I would absolutely love. So I was just glancing on Farfetch a couple days ago, and I saw this color SnapShot, and I was like, oh, I love that. I love that. So I went ahead and ordered it. Now, I did order this off of Farfetch UK, so I don't know if it's in stock in Farfetch US, but of course I will leave links down below. Additionally, it is more expensive in the UK. So, yeah, that sucks. But whatever. I paid I paid 335 pounds for it, which roughly translates to like $460, I want to say. Don't quote me on that. I'll put the price on the screen. So, yeah, Angel is having a moment, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear him. And I'm having I'm gonna open it up and then I'm gonna come back. All right, y'all, I am back, okay? Trouble getting it out of that damn box. So, I actually forgot that I had a little bit of a discount. I got a 10% discount. So, I only paid 236 pounds and 89 cents. Or 89 pence, excuse me. So, that roughly came out to $412. Okay? $412. So, let's go ahead and open her up. And I also paid for express shipping, and it got here in 2 days. So it came in the little dust bag here. Let's move this. I don't like that in the camera. Yeah. So here we are. This is what the bag is looking like. I'm wearing it today, y'all, because clearly it just goes so well. Okay, so it's the all one color in like this beige color, and I love it, y'all. What is happening? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Okay, y'all. Hopefully no more distractions. But yes, this is the bag. I got the solid color because I thought it was so cute. Okay, let's go ahead and take all this off. like this strap is so much thicker than the other strap that I had, and I actually love that. Okay. Yes. Yes, sir. That's all day, y'all. Mommy, mommy, mommy. Your tires? What's wrong with your tire? Okay, so let's put her on. I always feel like the Marc Jacobs SnapShot bags are such a they're like, talk about getting your money's worth, man. I love this. Like, it's such a nice everyday bag. Like, look at that. Oh. Like, it's just so, like, man, I just love this bag so much. I love the really thick strap. It gives it a very, very casual vibe. Angel. And yeah, y'all, I just love it. I love it so much. Okay, so tell me what y'all think. Before I will go ahead and just open it up. So it's just like stuffing in the inside here. This little like, I don't know why I call it salt, but it's like that stuff. Have the little Marc Jacobs care card in there. And in the front part, we have the little price and more stuffing. And that's it. That is it. So tell me what y'all think down in the comment section below. I love it. It's like, I love the color. I think it's just going to go with so much. So versatile. And yeah, I think it's worth every penny. Okay? And I especially love this like solid Marc Jacobs strap. So yes. Yeah, okay. Mommy's coming. Just give me 1 second. Y'all, I have told y'all before, and I'll tell y'all again, I am a full-time mom. What can I say? What can I do? I love you guys so much. Please like this video if you like this video. Share this video if you find it interesting. And subscribe to the channel if you like what I'm putting down. Okay? Make sure you go follow me on Instagram at angelleslife. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.